So, what else can we change about this scenario to improve? Well, could still improve the conversion rate, but let's not focus on that. We already got it to a 1%. We doubled it. We doubled our average order value. What's left? Cost per clicky. Let's do the math on that. $100,000 divided by 45 cents. 222,000 plus people are now visiting your site. Right? We got 200,000 visitors to our store. What's our store converting at? 1%. 222,222 times 0.01 means 2,222 sales generated times how much per sale? 200, because we have a $200 average order value, times 200. And how much in sales did we generate? That Jay-Z thing. We generated that 444,000 off of 100,000 spent. That's a 4.4x ROAS, return on ad spend. You're gonna kiss yourself. If I'm your ads manager, you're gonna love me.